Hi everyone, this is Vanessa Nielsen here with Encore Staging Services, and today I'm going to show you how to make small rooms look bigger. So come on in. So we start here in the foyer, the front entrance. As you can see here, this space does not have enough room to move around. There are a lot of doors. The front entrance and also the garage, when doors open up, there's not a lot of room for anyone to move around. So we made this area look bigger by having it painted white and also adding a mirror. This home is actually not that small, but it is a tri-level where the builder maximized the space utilizing height. But the rooms were a little bit tiny. I'm going to show you how to maximize each tiny area. So check out the first bedroom on the main floor. When I came to see the property, there was a bed underneath the windowsill. I didn't like the placement there because it was off balance with the windows. And the fact that the mattress was a queen size, it made the room feel so crowded. We brought in a full-size bed and we were still able to fit 2 nightstands to either side. And we placed the bed along this wall. Now the room feels a lot bigger, and therefore we were able to add another function to this space with a desk. What really helped make this room feel a lot bigger are the mirrored closet doors. So whenever you have the chance, add mirrored closet doors because it's going to make your room look a lot bigger. We also added these 2 mirrors to help make the room feel that much bigger. And we don't have a problem with size in this bathroom. It's actually a really great size, but it's a little bit outdated. As you can see, the vanity light is a little bit outdated, and also the bathroom cabinet finish. We brought this bathroom up to date by styling it. I love this dining area. It's actually quite spacious. So as you can see here, these walls are defining the area of the space. This and this are keeping me within these limits, and also, most importantly, this wall right here. This wall stops right here, so now it confines the space to just this area. So we brought in a round dining table and a glass one to create more flow. This space was actually big already, but the wall was green. So I had them paint the space all one color, so actually makes the canvas feel a lot bigger. And also because the floors were dark, bringing in lighter furniture actually makes the space feel bigger. One tip I have is if you have a windowsill right here, you want to bring in furniture that is not too tall. So lower profile furniture pieces actually make the ceiling feel taller and the space bigger. Now follow me upstairs. The rooms up here are especially tiny, so you'll want to check these out. Let's head into the master bedroom. This master bedroom is actually quite tiny, and the only place to put your bed would be on this wall. Having a ceiling fan like this actually makes a room feel a lot smaller because it's a bigger piece and it comes down. So for us to make the room feel a lot bigger than it really is, we brought in a queen size bed and 2 nightstands and kept the aesthetics very modern and simple. Because the room looks a lot more spacious, we're able to add in an accent chair. This master bathroom is actually not that big, but it was helpful with having a mirror and 2 mirrored medicine cabinets to illuminate the space. Now, as you can see here, this bathroom also is a little bit outdated with the 2 vanity lights and the bathroom cabinet having this finish. So we brought in updated accessories to bring it up to today's trends. Welcome to this tiny bedroom. As you can see here, we were able to actually get a twin size bed and still make it feel spacious. We were either going to stage it as a nursery, as an office, or as a twin bedroom. I measured everything out to make sure that what we brought in would be to scale with the room and to help the room look a lot bigger. So the challenge with the space is all the windows being here and the door to the bathroom. We don't have one full wall to work with, so the ideal spot to place a bed was along this wall. So again, we don't want clutter in the space, and we kept our aesthetics to very much minimal designs. And here is the other tiny bedroom. Several challenges in this space. One is the actual square footage, and 2, where the window is. This window actually cuts off the wall. And so therefore, we placed a day bed here and we were able to fit a desk, creating multiple purposes for the space. And I love the fact that the closet door actually has a mirror, helping to reflect more space. Another item we brought in to make the room look bigger was the mirror above the desk. This desk is actually a standard size, but it's slim looking along with this chair. It doesn't have a tall back, so aesthetically it looks very clean, very minimal, and makes the room look a lot bigger. As you can already tell, this bathroom again has the same look with the outdated vanity lights and the bathroom cabinet. We brought it up to trend with newer accessories. And this balcony is actually not that big, but we were able to make it look a lot wider and usable by adding this patio set. If we were to do an office, it would be right here, or a nursery somewhere there with a little accent chair. If we did a twin, it's funky because of the window. We have 35, 36 to work with, and if we stuck it here, we walk right into the door. Gonna queen this here and double check the dimensions because you want to get nightstands that are a little bit smaller than usual. So area for TV. We're gonna have a couch or a sectional and then an accent chair. We're gonna have a bench right here because we're gonna make that the focal point for a media cabinet. Man, there's too many of these window ledges sticking out. And there you have it. This is how you can maximize any space and make it feel a lot bigger. I hope you enjoyed the tips. Please add your comments down below. I would love to hear from everyone else other tips on how to make a room look a lot bigger. And please don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and don't forget to click the notification bell because there's a lot more properties to check out.